In this video I have cosecant theta plus cotan theta multiplied by cosecant theta minus cotan theta equals to 1. So as you see here, we have difference of squares. So a plus b times a minus b equals to a squared minus b squared. So we can do the same thing here. So it's going to be cosecant squared theta minus cotan squared theta. And cosecant is the inverse of sine. And cotan is cosine divided by sine theta. So it's going to be like that. Then I can write the common denominator. So it's going to be 1 minus cosine squared theta. And then 1 minus cosine squared theta will be equal to sine squared theta divided by sine squared theta. So it's going to be equal to 1. So that's proven.